When your Element Xumo TV has sound problems, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. These simple checks solve most common audio issues. First, check the obvious. Make sure your TV volume is turned up and not muted. This sounds simple, but it's the most common cause of no sound issues. Next, try a different app to see if the sound problem is specific to one application. Sometimes the issue isn't your TV, but the streaming app itself having audio problems. Check if your TV is accidentally connected to other audio devices. Your sound might be going to Bluetooth speakers or an HDMI home theater system instead of your TV speakers. If your Xumo remote volume buttons aren't working, the remote may need to be repaired with your TV. Check the pairing status in your TV settings menu. Finally, try a cold boot by unplugging your TV for 3 to 5 minutes, then plugging it back in. This simple power cycle can fix many software glitches that cause sound problems. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most common sound issues, including no audio, low volume, and distorted sound. If problems persist, you may need to check advanced audio settings. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your audio issues, it's time to explore advanced audio settings. Start by accessing your TV's picture and sound menu. The key setting to focus on is digital audio output. This is especially important if you're using external speakers connected via optical audio or HDMI ARC. HDMI ARC, or Audio Return Channel, allows audio to flow from your TV back to external devices like soundbars through the same HDMI cable used for video. To use HDMI ARC devices, you must enable HDMI CEC in your TV settings. This allows devices to communicate with each other through the HDMI connection. For TVs with HDMI 2.0 or higher, try adjusting the HDMI compatibility mode. Navigate to your HDMI input settings and select HDMI 1.4 compatibility if you're experiencing issues. If problems persist, consider resetting your audio settings to factory defaults. This option is typically found within the audio settings menu and can resolve many persistent sound issues. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve your audio issues, contact Xumo TV support for further assistance. They can help diagnose hardware problems or provide device-specific solutions.